Hello guys. Today I am making a video for the Liga pack openings. Just see these cards: 99 rated Ronaldo, Messi, 94 rated Oblak. These all cards are so good. I will try to get some of these. I want this Neymar because I do not have a good. Because I want a 98 rated left wing. Okay, let's open Tots pack. This is our first pack. Pedro. Second pack. Second pack. Booting. Third pack. Daniel Waits. No, this is Tots. Pate. Jonas. Modesty. Where are the blues? Blue. Oh. Okay. Blue. No blue. Okay, so now blue players have been coming. And this is no. Messi. Oblak, yes. 94 rated Oblak, 2 TOTS in one pack. Oblak, 94 rated Oblak, yes. 95 diving, 96 handling, 90 kicking, 95 95 positioning, reflexes, 95 reflexes. Okay. Andrews. Okay, blue. Yes, blue. Thank you and subscribe, please.